everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am about to ship out this mini album. This is a gift for someone. They have a dog named Caillou, and I just added some pictures. I didn't have that many pictures. The dog's just a puppy and they just got him, so there's not that many photos, but they gave me a couple, and I wanted to show them how to add photos to the book. And as well, I wanted to show you what it looks like to have a book with photos. Now, you may recognize this paper. This is called Bark. This is from Echo Park. It is, maybe from 2017. It's one of my favorite dog papers. I like it so much. I am going to just do a quick flip through. I had some kits. I may have one left in my Etsy shop of this particular style. It's similar to this, not exactly. Actually, I used all the stickers that came with the collection in the kits. I didn't have any stickers left, so I did some cutting and pasting. So it's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close. It is a 7x7 mini album. This is great for 6x6 papers. All you have to do is do some matting, and then you can use the papers. I'm missing one component. I need some string. I have to go grab some seam binding. But so the first page is the puppy, and that is on a photo mat that's got a flap. I don't have anything on the back. I did double mat that. I mean, isn't that an adorable puppy? Anyhow, so that goes in there. And I sort of like the idea that it's got a little bit of movement to it. Sort of lets people know who are not familiar with mini albums that there's a little interactiveness. There is the puppy. It was just a snippet of a picture. I just put it on the page. I matted it, and then just put this on the bottom just to add something to the page. If you had a 4x6 photo, you would cut it down because the page is 4 1/4 by, it's 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So you would cut it down, but it was a smaller picture, so I just matted it and added it to the page and added something here, and I think it looks fine. There's yet another picture of the puppy here. These are the hidden photo mats, and there is white cardstock on it. And sometimes if you put a photo on it, it looks a little lost. So again, it is matted. There's lots of room to put pictures. You could have put two smaller, like this one. You could have put two smaller photos here. But again, I'm just showing them how to use the book. So that goes like that. This is a nice double matting. I used a little larger dark blue mat just to offset so much color in the photo. And then it's on top of a white mat. Now this did come from a 4x6 photo, but the rest of this was all just carpet. So I just cut it apart. There is a photo here. And you could use that side to do some journaling on if you wanted to. And then there is the doghouse, which is really cute. I think that's it for the pictures. I don't think I have any other pictures, but I'll just do a walkthrough. So this is a great spot to journal. There's a little magnet holding that in, and this is a good spot to put a picture. There's a bunch of cut aparts here. You could put a photo on the back of those if you wanted to. And there's a spot to put small pictures. There's the hidden photo mat for that page. This is a belly band, so room to put your photo there. I just like that composition with the different oranges. There's room for a photo. I did not add photo mats because it's interesting that all the photos are different sizes, so I just figured they can just do it. Now I did include some extra photo mats. This is open here, so you could add a photo over here. Room for almost a 4x6 photo there. You could put a 4x6 photo. It would go almost to the top and bottom of the page. But again, when you take a photo or when you see a photo, there is always excess on the top and bottom. This you could put a picture right on top of. This is different than my kit. I don't know what was supposed to be in the kit. I didn't look it up. Just a cut apart and a couple of photo mats. There is the hidden page. I know, not very exciting, but room to put a picture. And then lots of extra photo mats here. What I'm missing is the baker's twine to tie that. I will get that off before I ship it out. Obviously, I just needed to grab it. So there is that. The back of the book looks like that. There is the spine, and there is the front. Of course, if you were to buy a kit, it doesn't have the dog's name in it, but I believe I included some alphabet stickers. I'm not sure if I did on all of the kits, so I'm not sure what's left. I have to look. Anyhow, check out my Etsy site if you're interested in the kits. But that is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this really quick walkthrough of a mini album with some photos. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.